Okay, so if you have these behind your back, you want to get them to the front. You're looking for the side that is up. Sometimes it'll be in the back, and then you'll have to work it like that. But for the video, I want to show this side so I can try to show you what's going on. Alright, so then you go find the car, and you just grab for the rubber area on the windshield wiper and rip it out, and then you'll get something like this. Not every car is going to have an exact one, but what you want is that little piece. It's already cut for you, and it almost looks like the key. Anyway, so I'm trying not to hit the camera and keep me in frame. I'm gonna go around, unclick it. Oh, alright, got it unclicked. And try not to bend it and get it out of there. And come back in and release the tension on the locking poles. Okay, just like that. Now if I'm in a situation where I would just like bend this in half or something and stick it in my pocket, just bend this in my pocket, and with this, just put it on my wrist. That way I'm not messing with it. And I suppose, I guess, run.